How to Write an Imaginative Narrative for Kids. Episode 1. What is it? An imaginative narrative is a genre or type of fiction writing. The word imaginative means using your imagination, and a narrative is a story. So when you write an imaginative narrative, you use your imagination to write a fiction story that could not really happen in real life. This genre is also sometimes called fantasy. Let's look at a few books and decide if they are imaginative narratives or not. The Lonely Unicorn. Is this an imaginative narrative? Yes. Unicorns are pretend creatures, so I know that this is a fantasy story. How about this book? All About Dogs. That doesn't sound like a story, does it? This sounds more like an informational book that teaches you facts. What about Monster Monday? Someone definitely used their imagination to write this story, didn't they? A Day at the Beach. This looks like a story, but it seems realistic, like it could really happen. So this is not an imaginative story. Are you ready to start writing your own imaginative narrative? Check out the next episode to see how I begin brainstorming ideas for my story.